Today we are going to replace an MDM-Z motor on one of our rectangular dampers. The first process would be to take the motor off of the damper. To do so, you would loosen the two screws that attach the motor to the damper. To remove them, you simply have to use a flathead screwdriver. Once both screws are properly loosened, you can go in manually with your hand just to remove the screws from the faceplate. Now that both screws are removed, you can simply remove the motor from the faceplate. As you can see, between the motor and the faceplate are these two white spacers. Make sure not to lose them. As you can see, once you remove the motor from the faceplate, there is this red plastic coupler that's attached to it. This indicates that it is an MDM-Z. Before putting on your new MDM-Z damper motor, you want to make sure that your damper is completely open. To do so, you will then use your hand and take the drive bushing of the damper and you will turn it completely counterclockwise until you feel it stops. That indicates that the damper is now completely open and you are now ready to install your new motor. Now with your new MDM-Z motor, you want to now install it back onto your damper. To do so, you first want to make sure that the two plastic white spacers are properly placed on each hole. Now you are going to take the motor and place it onto the faceplate. You want to make sure that the spacers are nicely situated for each hole. Now you will take your screws and first with your hand just make sure it's placed properly into the motor. Once that you can feel that they're properly situated, you will then proceed with the screwdriver Now that both screws are properly tightened, the motor is now newly installed.